Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by you.
Chika Minute! Bel Mariano, may bago na namang endorsement shoot today? Ayon sa IGC story ni Miss Adriana na may caption na endorsement shoot day. Ang daming blessings na dumarating sa kanya. Congrats, Belinda!